This video is about integral with the ax plus b form. As we know, integral of f of x dx equals capital F of x plus c. Thus, derivative of capital F of x equals this f of x. This is a formula we learned last class. This is a formula we are about to learn. You can compare and find the rules. You could say for each you have 1 over a as a coefficient. Then here's ax plus b. This is ax plus b. So you just switch this x into ax plus b. Then make your integral, you multiply by 1 over a. For example, if I have ax plus b to the nth power, we do the integral. Then same thing, we do the ax plus b n plus 1, then over n plus 1. But don't forget that 1 over a do the multiplication, then plus a constant number. If we have e to the ax plus b, do the integral, then you will get e to the ax plus b. Don't forget you multiply by 1 over a, then you plus c. For 1 over ax plus b dx, still we do the natural log of ax plus b. Don't forget you multiply by 1 over a, then you plus c. For integral of cosine ax plus b dx, you will get sine ax plus b. Then you multiply by 1 over a, then plus c. For integral of sine ax plus b dx, you will get negative cosine ax plus b times 1 over a, then plus c. For possible, remember 1 over square root ax plus b dx, you will get 2 square root ax plus b, then times 1 over a plus c. Now let's go to guided practice 3 for a. Because when you take an IB exam, this formula is given, so I use a formula given to figure out the integral. For the a, integral of 3 times 1 minus x to the 4th power dx. 3 you take out. Then you will get the 1 minus x to the 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. Don't forget this time a equals negative 1. So you will get the 1 over negative 1 plus c. Organize, you will get 3 over 5. 1 minus x to the 5th power. 1 over negative 1, that's negative 1. So you get the negative 3 over 5. 1 minus x to the 5th power plus c. Now let's go to b. If possible, please remember this formula for integral. 1 over square root of x, then dx, that equals to 2 square root of x plus c. So for b, we take a 4 outside, you will get the 1 over square root 3 minus 4x dx. Then you will get the 4 times 2 times the square root 3 minus 4x. I'm using this formula now. Then multiply by 1 over a, that is a negative 4, then plus c. Reduce, you will get negative 2 square root 3 minus 4x plus c. Now let's go to c. 10 is a coefficient, so I take outside 1 over square root 1 minus 5x dx. You will get the 10 times 2 square root 1 minus 5x, then times 1 over a, that is 1 over negative 5, then plus c. Reduce, you will get the negative 4 square root 1 minus 5x plus c. Now let's go to d. If it's a coefficient, you can take out. For this one, that will be negative cosine. Then 3x. Don't forget times 1 over a, that's 1 over 3. Here you have negative sign. Then plus 5. Here's the sine 4x. Then multiply by 1 over 4. Then you plus c. So we organize, you will get the negative 2 over 3 cosine 3x plus 5 over 4 sine 4x, then plus c. Now let's go to e. You will get the 2 is coefficient, so negative cosine 2x plus pi over 6. Then you multiply by 1 over a, that is a 2, because this is a. Then you plus c. So you reduce 2 is gone. You have negative cosine 2x plus pi over 6, then plus c. Let's go to f. Whenever you have a sine square x, that equals 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 2x. If it's a cosine square x equals 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine 2x. The reason why is we know the cosine 2x equals 1 minus 2 sine square x. Therefore, you will get the sine square x equals 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 2x. And cosine 2x equals 2 cosine square x minus 1. So you will get this. Therefore, you will get, for this 3, you will get the 3x minus integral. I'm using this formula. For 3x, you just double, because this is a 2x, here's x. Therefore, you have 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 6x dx. Therefore, you will get 3x minus 1/2 x. Then negative is a positive. 1/2. Then for integral of cosine 6x will be sine 6x. Don't forget you multiply by 1/8, that's 1/6, then plus c. So you organize, you will get 5/2x plus sine 6x over 12 plus c. Now let's go to G. First of all, you have to expand this. We know that a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Therefore, you will get the e to the 2x power plus 2 times e to the x power times e to the negative x power plus e to the negative 2x. Do the integral. For e to the 2x, that is e to the 2x times 1/a is 1/2. This will be 1. Therefore, you will add 2x. Then plus e to the negative 2x. Then multiply by 1/a is 1/2. Then you add c. So you have e to the 2x power over 2 plus 2x. Then minus e to the 2x. Here's 2. This is 1. Then plus c. Because for negative exponents, you have to go to denominator. Now let's go to h. I will separate this. You will get the integral of e to the negative x dx minus integral of 4/2x plus 1 dx. Let's separate first. Then for this one, you will get the e to the negative x. Then multiply by 1/a, that's 1/-1. Then minus here. I take a 4 outside. You will get the 1/2x plus 1. That's like this. So you will get the natural log of 2x plus 1. But don't forget that 1/a, that 1/2. Then you plus c. So when you organize, you will get 1/e to the x power. Don't forget this negative 1/e to the x power minus. This is reduced. You will get the 2. Natural log of 2x plus 1. Then you plus c. This will be the solution. So if you see the function addition, you can separate them to make the operation easier. Let's go to this I. Let's separate first. So you get the integral of x dx minus integral of 5, 1 minus x dx. For this x, just remember you add 1. 1 plus 1 is x squared. Here's over 2. Then minus. I take this 5 outside. So we have 1/1 minus x. That is this formula. So we do the natural log of 1 minus x. Don't forget you multiply by 1/a. That's negative 1. Then you plus c. So you have x squared over 2. Plus negative will be positive. Then 5 natural log of absolute value of 1 minus x plus c.